In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from a freelancer to a client on Upwork. Whether you're looking to switch roles or manage both freelancing and hiring, these steps will guide you through the transition smoothly and efficiently. We'll begin by opening a web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you prefer. Once that's open, type Upwork into the search bar and hit Enter. You're looking for the official Upwork website. It should be at the top of your search results. Click on this link to enter the Upwork platform. Next, you'll need to log in to your Upwork account. Locate and click on the Log In button, which you'll typically find in the upper right-hand corner of the Upwork homepage. Enter your email or username and your password, and proceed by clicking the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well to get to your main account page. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. If you're on a desktop, this can be done by clicking on your profile picture or the circle with your initials, located in the upper right corner, and selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. If you're using the mobile app, look for the Settings option, usually found in a similar spot within the app's interface. In the Account Settings area, you'll see several different options. What you're looking for is labeled My Info. Click on this to open it. This section contains all your personal and account information, including the management of your roles and account types. Scroll through this section until you find a link that says Create New Account. Click on this link. It will allow you to set up a new type of account under your existing profile. Now you need to choose the type of account you want to add. In this case, select Client as the account type. This option will let you hire freelancers on Upwork. By choosing this, you're essentially adding a new layer to your user profile that allows you to manage both your hiring and freelancing pursuits separately under one account. Finally, complete the setup process for your new client account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might include filling out your company information, setting your payment preferences, and other relevant details needed to get started as a client. Upwork will guide you through each necessary step to ensure your client profile is ready to use. And there you have it. You're now equipped with both freelancer and client capabilities on Upwork. Remember, having both profiles allows you the flexibility to switch roles as your business needs change. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through setting up your new client account on Upwork.